Hi, I am Marcie from Marcie and Mommyland.
And I am Owen Chang. We're in quarantine, and I really don't like quarantine.
Yeah, we have been in quarantine for 2 months now, and I am sick of all of my clothes at this point. I have been re-wearing the same pajama bottoms, yoga pants, sweatshirts. I wear them multiple days in a row. Do I wear a lot of comfy clothes right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, and what do you like to wear?
I like to wear sweatpants and sweatshirts.
Yeah.
They're very comfy. That shows Star Wars too.
Yeah, you like Star Wars too. But I am just not feeling super jazzed about my wardrobe right now. I have yoga wear and sweatpants that were from when my kids were babies, and they're just stretched out kind of funky, and they're not flattering, and I don't like leaving my doorstep looking like that. You know, when I do my big walk to the mailbox, I want to look nice, right? And so I asked Stitch Fix to send me some comfy clothes that also look okay. So like, you know, when I'm doing my Zoom calls or my happy hours with friends, or, you know, the house party app, right? Like, I'm tired of just looking super drab and just like I'm wearing super old clothes. And so, but I want something comfortable. I'm not wearing jeans in quarantine. I am not really wearing mini dresses or anything that I would normally wear if we were out and about. I'm wearing a ton of comfy clothes, but I just want to refresh it a little bit. Before I really get into this though, I want to say that Stitch Fix right now is offering a $50 credit if you sign up, whether it's a new women's box or men's box. Did you know that they do men's clothes too? And so if your husband or partner if his wardrobe needs a little refresh too, go ahead and sign him up for that. And you can get a $50 credit, which is awesome with Stitch Fix. Anything you want to say before we get started?
Yep. You're wearing a dress?
I'm not wearing a dress. Okay, I'll show you really quick. I am wearing a little jumpsuit that is super comfortable. And what I like about this jumpsuit is that I can just pull it down to use the restroom without having to unbutton or unsnap or unzip or do anything. It's super easy, and jumpsuits are not always easy to use the facilities. Anyway, let's get into our Stitch Fix. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. We don't need these right now.
Yeah, we don't.
Okay.
Let's open it up.
Alrighty, I'm gonna put this down. Okay, so the first thing is, it looks like a sweater. Probably here is a sweater.
Which looks really good.
It looks really good.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. Do you like the color?
Yeah, I love yellow.
I hate this color. I hate it with a passion.
Oh, you hate yellow?
I love yellow, but this is not yellow. This is like pea soup color, if I can kind of see it. I think it's super soft. It looks really comfy. It's kind of stretchy, and it would be so cute to wear with sweatpants and stuff. In literally any other color. Like this for me, like this is just not my color at all. It's kind of like, you know what, gosh, do you know what it looks like? Baby poop. And if you have a baby recently, or even if not so recently, this color will stick with you. And that's what you know, when the babies have the blowouts and they go all up the back of the onesie, it's this color, right? So you know my thoughts on this already. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see. Okay. Here.
I love that.
You do? You love
2
this
thumbs
one?
up.
2 thumbs up.
If I had
Here
3
is.
thumbs up, I would do 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 or 7.
So you love this one.
Yeah, I love it.
What do you love about this?
I love it because it has flowers.
Mm-hmm.
It reminds me of the outdoors, and it has a little bit of gray, and it has a bunch of color.
It does have a bunch of colors. I actually like this. My only concern right now is that it seems really see-through. And maybe it's not coming through here at all. So I feel like I would probably need to wear maybe a tank top under it. But I'm surprised that I like this, because I normally don't like the floral prints with, you know, stripes or solids or whatever. It's not my style usually. So I'm curious what this looks like on. But it does look kind of cute, and it's super comfy and soft and has that kind of silky feel. So it feels a little bit dressed up, but not too dressed up. Okay, let's keep looking and see what else we have here.
I love that one.
I haven't even brought it out yet.
No, I mean, I love
these are
the
some,
one before.
Oh, you love that one before. These are some culotte pants. Ooh. I am super stoked about these.
I think this will go well with the other one.
Oh, that would go well with the floral top?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're right. I might try it on that way. These are so soft. Oh, do you want to feel?
Oh, it's so soft.
So soft.
Oh, if we kept it, I would probably, every time you wear it, I would probably just touch it.
So you would touch me a lot if I was wearing these pants?
The pants, yeah.
You touch the pants a lot. Okay. Yay. So here are some culottes, and I love these. I'm hoping that these fit. I admit that my husband has been baking a lot during quarantine, and I might not be this size anymore, and so I'm going to need to try it on and see if it's comfortable, because if it's not comfortable, I might see if they have it in a larger size, because this is awesome. I have some black kind of gaucho culotte pants like this. They're so comfortable, but they are way too tight for me, and I can't wear them right now. The waistband is just too tight. So I am hoping, these feel pretty stretchy, so I'm hoping that these are comfortable. But if not, this was definitely something I would ask if they had a different size, if I could exchange it. Because you can exchange some stuff on Stitch Fix if they have it available.
Like that.
Yeah, like this maybe. I'll have to see. Okay. Here
Next
is, okay.
Oh, it doesn't really look like you that much, but...
You don't think this looks like me?
Yeah, but I like it.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah,
I really like the colors in this. It's a lightweight sweater. Do you want to feel it? It's not the softest sweater. Like it maybe seems like it would be a little bit more. But here's what it looks like, and it's see-through enough that it would be lightweight. It wouldn't be hot. Our weather, gosh, it was in the mid 80s over the weekend, and now I think it's in the 60s. So it's kind of nice to have pieces that are lightweight that you can kind of layer. So this looks kind of cute though. I think, I'm not sure what it would go with the stuff that they've sent so far, but it would look cute with comfy pants, I think, for sure. Yeah.
Like those blue pants.
I don't know if it would go with the blue pants, but we can see.
But I know the one under the blue pants would go well.
This one?
Sure. No, the one under the blue pants.
Oh, the shirt?
Yeah.
Okay, and then here are, oh, this is interesting. These are jogger linen pants.
Doesn't look like you.
Doesn't look like me. I'm going to try them on, but I agree that these
don't look like you.
They don't really look like me. So with linen pants, they normally get super, super, super wrinkly. These ones are, I want to say like a thick linen. Like they're not like what I would expect. And the pant leg is pretty narrow, which is also not what I would necessarily expect, except that it is a jogger. So that makes sense. These ones I have to try on to see how they fit. But right now they're super wrinkly, and I don't know if I want to be wearing super wrinkly pants. I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and try on some of these things, and we will be back. All right, so I am trying on the floral shirt with the gray, and then also the gaucho pants. And
I really like.
Yeah, he really likes them. I like that these fit in the waist. They fit really well. They're a little bit thin. You can kind of see a little bit of lines right there. So I have to be careful what type of underwear I wear with them, only because I'm kind of particular about that. But I really like these. The pants are so comfortable. They're like, they feel like pajama pants, but I think that they look a little bit more put together and a little bit more stylish than at least the pajama pants I have right now.
They feel like pajamas?
They feel like pajamas to me. Yeah,
I wish I have those kind of pants.
You have a lot of comfy pants, I'd say. Yeah. And then here's the shirt. And the shirt, it's like a little bit, like boxy a little bit. But I actually, I'm not sure if I like love it or not, but it's super comfortable. And I like that it's different than some of the shirts that I have. So I'm going to have to think about this. But I really like the pants. Oh, and the pants have pockets in it. I forgot to say they have little pockets, which is really comfortable.
That you can put comfortable things in.
Yeah.
Like fuzz.
Like fuzz and stuff? Okay. Yeah. So I like these so far. I'm excited to try some other things too. All right, so I tried on the pants now. And these ones I would say are a little bit too tight for me. They feel a little snug, and when I sit down, the pants kind of pull, and they're not super comfortable. I'm not sure if they were a larger size, if they would be more comfortable, because I think it's the fact that the material is kind of thick. For me, it doesn't feel super comfortable, and I don't think that they're that flattering on me either. What do you think?
I vote you 0 out of 10.
0 out of 10?
Yeah, 0 out of 10.
Yeah, you heard it here first.
The pants don't look so good.
Okay.
With that.
Okay. Alrighty, so now I have on the baby poo green sweater, and it is, it's super comfortable. What do you think of it, Owen?
It looks like little poop.
Right. But you did like it when we first brought it out. Is it because I said I didn't like it that you say you don't like it now?
No, it's because last time I thought it was yellow.
Mm-hmm.
But now I looked harder and it's kind of brownish yellow.
Yeah, it's kind of weird yellow. But the fit is really nice. If it was in a different color, this would definitely be something that I'd want to wear. And I like that it's got the little subtle lines on it, but it's not like stripes. So it's pretty cute. We've got the cardigan to go, and then that's it. All right, so the final item is the sweater, and it definitely has like a beachy feel to it, like definitely like West Coast beachy a vibe to it. It's got little pockets right here, which is nice, and I like the length of it. I don't know, it's not my favorite. It's just fine. I'm not like super jazzed about it, but I think it looks cute. It's just not something that I need in my wardrobe, I think, right now. What do you think about it?
I would vote you 10 out of 10 just if it didn't have that much holes, and like if it didn't look like that much beachy, like so beachy.
It looks really beachy to you?
Yeah, and it doesn't look like you.
It doesn't look like me. Well, you know what? If somebody doesn't look like me, I don't always need to have it. All right. All right, and there you have it. That's my May Stitch Fix unboxing and review video. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Feel free to leave me comments below on items that you liked or you didn't like. And if you want to sign up for Stitch Fix, they are offering $50 off of your first Stitch Fix box, which is an amazing deal. So I would highly recommend that. I love getting my Stitch Fix boxes in the mail, especially during quarantine. It is the bright part of my day. It's something to look forward to. I like surprises, and I like not having to be in a store to go shopping right now, or just scrolling online and trying to pick out things that may or may not work for me. I like that Stitch Fix knows my sizes. I can say the types of things that I'm looking for, and then they will send it to my house, and then I can just ship it back, the things that I don't want. So I highly recommend it. Thanks so much for watching. Hang in there. Thanks again. Bye.